Once again, welcome children. So children, before starting the new topic, I have one question. What you need for purchasing the things? Yes, very good. So you all need money and Indian currency is rupee and paise. So today we will discuss rupee and paise. Now, children, you all know we use money to buy things, and Indian money is rupee and paise, and it is in the form of notes and coins. And here you can see the symbol of rupees. This one is the symbol of rupee, and 1 rupee equals 100 paise, and 1 paisa equals 1 by 100 rupee. So, children, plural of paisa is paise. Okay. Moving to the next page. So here you can see different type of coins. This is 50 paise coin, this is 1 rupee coin, this is 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, and this one is 10 rupee coin. Moving to the next page. Now here we have different types of Indian currency notes. 5 rupee notes. This one is 10 rupee note, this one is 20 rupee note, this one is 50 rupee note, this one 100 rupee note, this one 500 rupees note, this one is 2000 rupee notes. Moving to the next page. So here children, if you want to pay 1 rupee to someone, you can also pay 4 coins of 25 paise. And if you want to pay 5 rupee to someone, you can also pay 5 coins of rupee 1. Now here we have 10 rupees. So children, if you want to pay 10 rupee to someone, you can also pay 5 coins of 1 rupee and 1 5 rupee note. And here you can see you can also pay 2 notes of 5 rupees. Okay. Moving to the next page, children. So here children, you can see if you want to pay rupees 50 to someone, you can also pay 5 notes of rupees 10 and it will be equal to rupees 50, and 10 notes of rupees 5 and it will be equal to rupees 50. So here if you want to pay rupees 50 note, here we have some more ways. You can see here 3 notes of rupees 10 and 1 note of rupees 20. It will be equal to rupees 50, and here you can see 2 notes of rupees 20 will be equal to rupees 40, and 1 note of rupees 10 will be equal to rupee 10. So 40 plus 10 equals rupees 50. Moving to the next page. So here we have questions. So children, you all know 1 rupee equals 100 paise, and you can write it like this also. 1 rupee equals 50 paise plus 50 paise, or you can also say 2 times 50 paise. 2 times of 50 paise, or you can also say 2 coins of 50 paise. Okay, so same like that I have written over here. Please go through this. 1 rupees equals 4 times of 25 paise. Now here we have 2 rupees. So this is your fill in the blanks. 2 rupees equals 200 paise, and here I have written some more ways. You can write in these ways also. So please go through this. 2 rupees equals 100 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise. It will be equal to 200 paise. So 200 paise is also known as how much? 200 paise is also known as 2 rupees. Okay. So in all these cases you can see that we have 200 paise and it will be equal to 2 rupees. Okay. Moving to the next page. Now here it's your turn. You have to write the answer, children. 2 rupees equals dash paise plus 100 paise. What you will write here, children? Let's check whether you are correct or not. So I think you all are correct, and here answer will be 100 paise plus 100 paise equals 2 rupees. That will be equal to 200 paise. So next question, very simple. 1 rupee equals dash paise. So let's check whether you have written correctly or not. So you all have written correctly, and answer will be 100 paise. Moving to the next page. Now here 1 rupee equals dash paise into into dash paise plus 25 paise plus 25 paise plus 25 paise. So let's check whether you all are correct or not. So you all are correct, and it will be 25 paise plus 25 paise plus 25 paise plus 25 paise will be equal to 1 rupee, or 4 coins of 25 paise will be equal to 1 rupee. With this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet again.